Okay, Harry. You can't catch salmon, but you sure are good at catching ducks. Where's he got it in him?
In his mouth. His little heart's beating 1,000 miles. Wait a minute. Look in there, and you'll see. Can you just bring it down here?
There's some in I got some hemos in my green bucket there.
I know. I know. Come on.
Let me zoom in on this.
Don't bite me. Oh,
There's Harry. He's got it in the mouth.
it's gonna hurt.
He's got the pliers. Little extraction. What is that? It looks like a merganser almost.
Beautiful bird.
Yeah, it is. Sure is a beautiful bird. What kind of a bird are those? Gee.
I don't know what that is.
Oh my God.
Do a good job, Harry. I'm taking
Trying.
taking a video of your operation here.
Is it right in the... Watch he don't bite you, boy.
He knows I'm trying to help him.
Yeah.
I'm trying to.
Gee.